Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the secret blue lighting room on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to go to the Lana room here in the salon area. You're going to just drop down here. And as you can see, there's going to be this room. You're just going to walk to the glowing door. You can also take pictures here if you'd like to. Sometimes people take pictures here. We're just going to walk in, and here is the blue lighting room. Sometimes people take pictures here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!